All right, folks. I wanted to go ahead and also show you guys how to use StatKey to do confidence interval for a mean using StatKey. I think StatKey is really nice. So again, I'm here with this page that I Google searched for StatKey, and I'm going to click this confidence interval for the single mean and the standard deviation. Now, again, they already have some files in here that you could change and play around with, but we're going to want to upload a file for our data set. So I'm going to go and I'm going to find my favorite teaching um, data set, which is the student surveys. Um, this data set is very clean before I put it in here. And you see how nicely it uploaded with its headers and the different things. So when I click OK, oh, please only select one column. So I have to pick one column. So let's look at exercise because it's the first quantitative one. The blanks will be ignored is what it's telling me there at the bottom. So I click OK. And I can see a dot plot of the original data set. It's pretty cool, right? So I actually have my data loaded in here that quickly. And I'm going to be able to do a bootstrap dot plot of the mean or the median or the standard deviation. Now I'm going to do the mean. Most of you guys all picked mean. It's really the way to go. Boom, I generated 1,000 samples of this exercise mean. Originally, we see that the mean was 9.05, and the mean of the bootstrap distribution is 9.05. I get my standard error computation. I get everything I could ever want there. Let's generate some more. Make it look really nice and normal here. What am I up to now? I'm up to 4,000 samples. Can you imagine dragging over 4,000 times in Excel? It'd take you a long time. Again, I'm after the confidence intervals here normally, so let's go ahead and make the confidence interval happen just by clicking to tail. I could compute it using the mean and the standard error and using 2 for the 95% confidence interval, but there you go, I have the confidence interval. So then I could ask, well, I exercise 10 hours a week. Am I extreme? And of course, yes, I would be extreme. I fall outside the 95% confidence interval. Of course, most of the students are extreme, right? If you look here at the median, sorry, not the median, the mode was 5. And so the mode falls outside the average too. There's some students spending a lot of hours in the gym, 40 hours in the gym, man. But this gives you an idea how to do this. So again, I picked the upload file here. I selected my file. It was already a nice file. So that might be a problem with some of you guys. It has to be a CSV, comma separated. You can save your Excels as CSVs, but this would be the way to get it in here. Now, if you're having issue with this, maybe just computing it the other way is the easiest way to go. There's some issues with uploading, so be careful. If you get your data in a nice setup, you can get it in here and have StatKey compute your confidence interval for you. Okay, good luck on the bootstrapping.